Hi everyone, my name is Aaron Kowalchuk and I'm a science teacher here at Bev Facey High School in Sherwood Park, Alberta. I was approached to participate in the creation of a safe system project in partnership with CRISP, STSP, the School Traffic Safety Partnership, Strathcona County, and Elk Island Public Schools in creating modules designed to educate high school students on the dangers of speeding and the science behind the setting of speed limits. The goal is to teach target audience, that is students aged 14 to 18, about why exceeding the speed limit can have such a tremendous effect on the safety of the driver, passengers, or even other drivers or pedestrians in a collision. As this project was designed to be used in class as part of the lesson, we have connected many of the outcomes found in the various science curricula in the Alberta Program of Studies. Module 1 covers such things as scalars and vectors, distance versus displacement, uniform versus non-uniform motion, instantaneous speed and average speed, speed versus velocity, accelerated motion, reaction times and reaction distances, and how fractions of a second can have a major impact on the outcome of a collision. Braking distances, factoring things in such as reaction times, road conditions, and distractions all affect the distance that objects take to come to rest, and even graphical analysis of safety in motion. Module 2 focuses more the 20 level material, things like forces and inertia, friction and coefficients of friction, energies such as potential and kinetic energies, and the effect that speed has on kinetic energy and how it is proportional to speed squared. Module 3 is focused more for the 30 levels, where we focus on momentum and impulse, and the effect that time has on collisions and why we have crumple zones and airbags to prevent injuries when collisions do occur. We also look at elastic versus inelastic collisions and how momentum and energy conservation relate to collisions and the potential for deadly outcomes. We also have a number of activities to engage students. Obviously, just talking about speeding is only half of the battle. Students need to engage in their learning and see the real effects that exceeding the speed limit can have on the results of a collision. As such, we've incorporated several hands-on activities, interactives, and videos to both qualitatively and quantitatively demonstrate the effects of exceeding the speed limit. We have a Plickers app, which is designed to engage students in talking about safe speeding. We have an online reaction time test to show a person's reaction time and how it's affected by distractions such as cell phones. We have a lot of video links and powerful videos showing the real effects of speeding and collisions. We have some practice calculation questions, simple yet powerful calculations that force students to see the results of exceeding the speed limit mathematically. We have discussion questions designed to get students in groups and talk about what they've learned in their modules. We have lab activities and demonstrations at all levels, 10, 20, and 30, designed to engage students in their learning. Safety in motion graphs that'll also show them the results of their data that they've gathered and be able to analyze their data and support what they have found. So in conclusion, I'd just like to thank you for joining me today. We share a vision of educating students to be a little bit more aware about how their actions have an effect on others around them. We feel if we can positively affect even just one student and maybe save even just one life, we have done our jobs in educating our students. If you have any questions, comments, or just suggestions for future modules, please do not hesitate to contact me at aaron.kowalchuk@eips.ca. And I'd also like to say a huge thank you to Tyler Leon for helping me with the modules and this video, and we hope to see you down the road.